Guys, YouTube Shorts pay. Before I got monetized, I used to hear some creators say that YouTube Shorts does not pay. You cannot really get any revenue out of YouTube Shorts. Creating YouTube Shorts is just a waste of time and all of that. But it was after I got monetized, when I took creating of shorts serious, that I realized that is actually a misconception. So one thing about short video, one thing I find out from my analytics, from my YouTube studio, from the revenue I've made so far from shorts, one thing I've realized so far is that creating short video like consistently, you're gonna make money from it. Yes, when you create short videos consistently, without maybe you create a short today, you will not create again, you will leave it for like next month before you create another short. There's nothing you're gonna get from it, especially if that short is not a viral short, like the short did not go viral. You're not gonna make something from it. But if you have shorts that the views is actually doing well, just like my own, you're gonna get something out of the shorts. Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vivid Serious. I talk about YouTube growth in this very particular channel, so do what to like and subscribe. So I'm gonna take you guys to my YouTube studio and show you guys how much I've made so far from my shorts videos. But if you check my channel, you will notice that my shorts videos are actually doing well more than my long form videos. My long form videos made me to start creating shorts. When I noticed that I'm not getting the views that I want in my long form videos, I now switched over to short videos and I took it very serious. And like when I noticed that the short is getting, at least the views is pretty good, 1,000 views, 2,000 views, I decided to take it serious. Okay, so yeah, let me take you guys to my YouTube studio so that you guys can see the revenue that I've made so far from my shorts videos. I mean the total revenue I've made so far from all my shorts, like all the shorts that I've created after I got monetized. So I'll take you guys to my YouTube studio. Okay, so let's go to content so that you guys can see my shorts. Okay, I have created okay, let's count it. I've created about, let's say, 15 shorts after I got monetized. As you can see, the first one, which is 563, the second one 22k, this one is locked, the third one is locked. I have not made it public. So this is the one of 22k, is currently at 23k right now, 23.5. so these are the shorts, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me try and scroll down. 8. Okay, this one of okay, I'm trying to click the one of 32,000. Okay, 32,000 views. 9, 10, 11, 12. This one is at 10,000.4, like 10.4 thousand. So this very particular one is the first short I created after I got monetized, the viral Christian songs. So I think I have about 15 shorts after I got monetized. So let's check the revenue I got only from my shorts videos. Guys, $5.42. Like it's still counting. No, I still have a video that is like the first one I showed you guys, that is at 23.8 thousand. That video is still picking views. Like the views are still coming. Guys, this is really mind-blowing. $5.42. What are you still waiting for? What is still delaying you from creating short videos? Okay, after seeing this, like 15 shorts within 2 weeks. It's not even up to 2 weeks. Did I even say 2 weeks? Okay, 15 shorts and I was able to make $5.42. You really need to jump into this, especially if your channel is monetized. Okay, and if your long form videos are not doing well, you should start creating shorts to get revenue. Okay, then this one is for my watch page ads. That is my long form videos. I've gotten 90 cents since I got monetized. Guys, if you can see, comparing my long form videos and my shorts, you will notice that my shorts are doing perfectly well to compare my long form videos. So that means that yours can be different. Okay, your own revenue can be different if your long form videos are doing well more than your shorts, it means that your long form videos, the revenue will be higher than the revenue for your shorts. So it depends on how your your long form videos are performing. You understand? So guys, if you have any question, please do it, ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.